Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the product and safety gear. Wear goggles, gloves, and a respirator because inhalation and skin contact matter. Once done, dilute to label concentration using a clean container and measure carefully. For example, 1/2 gallon or the exact amount stated. Then, prime the sprayer. Pressurize gently, test a short burst, and inspect the nozzle for a steady fan. Make sure to position yourself upwind to prevent drift and to protect adjacent areas. You should work methodically across the area, moving at a steady pace so coverage is even. This prevents hot spots and wasted product. Once you set the nozzle, hold it 2 to 3 ft from the surface and make overlapping passes of about 20 to 30% to ensure full coverage. For targeted cracks, switch to a pinpoint or stream setting and apply short bursts. Make sure to keep the sprayer level and repressurize as needed to maintain consistent output. You finish by depressurizing and flushing the system. Cleaning prevents blockages and corrosion, so run clean water or the recommended solvent through until clear. Once done, store leftover concentrate in its original, labeled container and note the mix ratio and date. If you encounter clogging, soak the nozzle in warm, soapy water, then clear gently with a soft pin. Never force metal into delicate parts. Make sure to check seals before next use. Replace worn O-rings to prevent leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.